Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to have you guys here today because I have been telling you now that we are preparing to do our Shopify marketing series, and it is finally here. I'm just so excited. I'm going to go over the first blog post with you guys because it's kind of going to give you a guideline of what our blog series is going to be about and the content that's going to be in it. So what it's going to be is it's going to be on 7 proven strategies for marketing your Shopify store. The first thing that we're going to be going through is making sure that you are designing a great looking website, because if you don't have a nice looking website, nobody's going to stay on your website to shop. The next thing that we will go into is going to be social media integration and how that's important for your store. Also email campaigns, how to do them, why they are important, and then of course also some upselling and cross-selling promotions. Oh, such good stuff, you guys. I'm really excited. How you can also engage your customers with a live chat on your website. And then of course content marketing, which involves, YouTube videos and blogging, and then also possibly offering a loyalty program. So I'm so excited because I know that as we get deeper into each one of these topics, I know for a fact that they are going to help increase your sales. They're going to help you to create a beautiful website to be able to pull your customers in and be able to start getting in those sales. So yeah, just make sure that you guys are filling out, click on the link below, fill out that form, subscribe to our blogs, make sure you're getting those into your inbox, and also make sure too that you are subscribed to our channel and hit the bell so you get the notifications. That way that as I am doing the videos on them, that you will be seeing them. So, all right, well, I will see you guys later. Bye.